Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 13 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 every single month. Now, yesterday we had the same amount of active listings. Unfortunately, I couldn't list more today. Let's go ahead and have a look at how many orders that came in through. If I'm not mistaken, we had around 2 orders that came in today, which are these two. One of them is valued at $22.40 with a $20 postage fee. The other one is around $19.50. All right, so let's go to our performance tab and have a look at our traffic. Okay, as you can see, our traffic is getting a little bit stable because I couldn't list it. Doesn't matter, it's going to go up as we list more. So we're sitting at around just a little bit above 200,000 listing views. Okay, and in the last 30 days we had 1.1 million of impressions. That's huge. That's converted into 1,232 listing views, and that has gotten us about 15 sales. So minus 3 of today's sales, that's around 15 sales. Okay, let's have a look at our listing views. As you can see, we have around 140 something listing views. Don't hold me accountable for math. Okay, I'm not super good at it. So moving on to our quantity sale, as I mentioned, we had around 2 sales that came in today, one of them being organic, the other one being promoted listing. As you guys know the drill, the usual, what we're going to do is we're going to try to list more as much as we can at this stage, since our eBay account is already warmed and ready to be blasted. And just before we go ahead and close the video, we are sitting at around 1.5% conversion rate. So again, it's fluctuating every day. So that's it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next upcoming video with the next update, which is tomorrow. So stay tuned, you guys.